General Manager at China Express. We've been involved in Restaurant Week for 5 years now. We're happy to be back again this year. This year in Restaurant Week will be in the savory category, and we'll be using couple pork as a barbecue pork fried rice, Cantonese style. Why we use a couple pork because they're tender and nice. You season the pork and you barbecue it to give it a nice barbecue flavor. You make sure it's cool. They cut it in small chunks. All our pork dishes they from couple wood because it's nice and tender and juicy. Come to Restaurant Week on November 13th to 21st. Try some nice delicious dishes from China Express.